Hello children, welcome back. In the last video we discussed how we can reduce an equation to a simple form. So we continue with the exercise. Now exercise 2.5 question number 3, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Now we have to reduce these equations to a simple form. Now how we can reduce to the simple form? Children, do you remember what we have to do? First we want to look at the denominators. So which are the denominators of the terms? Here it is 1, okay. For x the denominator is 1, 7 it is 1, okay. Now go to the other terms. Here it is 3, 6 and 2. So the first step is find the LCM. So the denominators are 3, 6 and 2. Denominators 3, 6 and 2. So we have to find the LCM. LCM of the denominators, that is LCM of 3, 6 and 2. So what is the LCM of 3, 6 and 2? 3, 6, 2. So using 3 we can start 1 time, 2, then again 2, then using 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So the LCM of 3, 6 and 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 2 equal to 6. Because 6 is a multiple of 3, 6 and 2. So the least common multiple. If you are not getting the answer directly, the LCM, using the division method, find out the LCM. Then second step, multiply both sides of the equation by the LCM. By the LCM. That is, here you want to multiply by 6. That is the second step. Therefore, the first term is 6x. Therefore, you have to multiply with the 6. So, 6 into x minus, plus 6 into x plus 6 into 7 minus 6 into 8x by 3 equal to 6 into 17 by 6 minus 6 into 5x by 2. Multiply each term of the equation by the LCM. So 6 into x plus 6 into 7 minus 6 into 8x by 3 equal to 6 into 17 by 6 minus 6 into 5x by 2. Then 6 into x equal to 6x. Then plus 6 into 7, 42 minus 3 and 6 you can cancel using 3. 1 time, here it is 2 times. So 2 into 8x equal to, here we can cancel 6 and 6 using 6 itself. So 1 time, 1 time. So 1 into 17, 17 minus, here we can cancel 6 and 2 using 2, 1 time, 3 times. That is 3 into 5x. Therefore, 6x plus 42, then 2 into 8x minus 16x equal to 17 minus 3 into 5x, that is 15x. Now the equation is reduced. Now 6x, then minus 16x, okay, plus 42 equal to 17 minus 15x. So I wrote the variables together. Okay. Now transpose negative 15x to the left hand side. So 6x minus 16x. What is given on the left hand side? Write first. Then after that only the transposed term. Then plus 15x equal to constants. What is given on the right hand side? Write first. So 17 is already there. Write 17. Now transpose 42 to the next side. Minus 42. Then first simplify. 6x minus 16x. What is the answer? Negative 10x plus 15x equal to 17 minus 42. So 42 minus 17 we can find out 25. So 17 plus negative 42, 17 plus negative 42. So the answer is negative 25. Then negative 10x plus 15x. What you will get? Negative 10 plus 15. So it will be 5x. So 5x equal to negative 25. Therefore, x equal to negative 25 divided by 5. So what is negative 25 by 5? Equal to negative 5. Therefore, the solution or the value of x is negative 5. Now next question. X minus 5 by 3 equal to x minus 3 by 5. Then here also look at the denominators. The denominators are 3 and 5. Denominators 3 and 5. Then the first step is find the LCM. Therefore, LCM of 3 and 5. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5? It is 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. So we got the LCM. Now next step is multiply both sides by LCM. Multiply both sides by 15. Multiply both sides of the equation by 15. Therefore, 15 into x minus 5 by 3 equal to 15 into x minus 3 by 5. Now we can cancel 3 and 15 using 3. So you will get a 1 time. Here it is 5 times. Then 5 and 15 also we can cancel using 5, 1 time, 3 time. Therefore, 5 into x minus 5 equal to 3 into x minus 3. Now we want to open the bracket. 5 into x, 5x, minus 5 into 5, 25, equal to 3 into x, 3x, minus 3 into 3, 9. 5x minus 25 equal to 3x minus 9. Now, we can transpose 3x to the left hand side. 5x minus 3x equal to, here what is the sign of 9? Negative 9. And 25 is negative. When we transpose to the other side, it will become positive 25. Therefore, negative 9 plus 25. Then 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Therefore, 2x equal to negative 9 plus 25 equal to 16. 2x equal to 16. Therefore, x equal to 16 divided by 2. So, the value of x is equal to 8. Therefore, the solution of the given equation is 8. Now, next question. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2 into t plus 3 divided by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Here also we want to reduce the equation to a simpler form. Now look at the denominators. So here that denominators. So which are the denominators? 4, 3 and 3. Then the first step, take the LCM. So LCM of 4, 3 and 3. Can you say what is the LCM of 4, 3 and 3? So the least common multiple is 12. So the LCM of 4, 3 and 3 is 12. If you are not getting it directly, you can use the division method and find the LCM. Then multiply both sides of the equation by 12. You have to multiply both sides of the equation by 12. Therefore, 12 into 3t minus 2 divided by 4. Now look at that, here we have two terms. So put a bracket there. Then minus here 12 into 2 into t plus 3. Here also we can put a bracket divided by 3. Then equal to 12 into 2 by 3 minus 12 into t. Multiply each term by the LCM. 4 and 12 we can cancel using 4. One time, here it is 3. Then 3 and 12 we can cancel using 3 one time. Then in a 12, 3 goes 4 times. Then here also 3 and 12 we can cancel one time, then 4 times. Therefore, 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 into 2 into t plus 3 equal to 4 into 2 minus 12 into t. Now open the bracket. 3 into 3t. So 9t minus 3 into 2, 6. Again minus 4 into 2 into t. So 8t. Now look at that, this 4 is a negative. Therefore here negative 4 into 3. So you will get it as 4 into 3. It will be 12 and it is the sign of 4 is negative. Therefore 4 into negative 4 into 3 equal to negative 12 equal to 4 into 2, 8 minus 12t. Then 9t minus 8t minus 6 minus 12 equal to 8 minus 12t. So the like terms I wrote it together. Then 9t minus 8t. 9 minus 8, 1. So 1t. 1t means it is t itself. Then minus 6 means it is a plus negative 6 plus negative 12 equal to 8 minus 12t. Then negative 6 minus 12. So what is the sum? Negative 18. So t plus negative 18 equal to 8 minus 12t. Then t plus negative 8 equal to 8 minus 12t. Now left hand side we have to keep the variables. So t is already there. 12t, when it comes to the left hand side, it is a plus 12t equal to 8. Negative 18, when it goes to the other side, positive 18. T means a 1t. So 1 plus 12, 13. So you will get a 13t equal to 18 plus 18, which is equal to 26. Therefore, T equal to 26 divided by 13. So, the answer is 2. 26 divided by 13 is equal to 2. Therefore, the solution of the given equation is 2, or the value of the variable T is 2. Now, we have the homework exercise 2.5 question number 6. So, that is for today's class. Thank you.